So say goodbye to Margaret, Mary, Bridget, and me all. I have no words to tell you how much I miss you all, and though I may not show it, you know I've loved you well. So in my final letter, I will bid my last farewell. Dearest brother, won't you take good care of all the folks for me? Go home to Rathfarnham on the day they set you free. I was happy when you stood by me in all that we've been through. No